Grocery family, this is £5,000 from our bank holiday sale earnings, and we're gonna go give it all away.
Behind me are 10 gifts. 9 of those gifts are the weirdest things I could find online, and one of those gifts is the iPhone 15.
Real estate investing and wholesaling, and my life has never been the same. This series is going to serve as an invitation, a roadmap, and also kind of like a self-vlogging experience.
Now to kick things off, let me give you an overview of the 3 phases that we can climb through in order to transform your body in a healthy way. Phase 1.
Sell me this pin is iconic. So today I'm going to show you how to use it correctly and sell in real life.
Jeff Bezos has spent $42 million building a clock that will outlast human civilization in a mountain in Texas, also called the clock of the long now.
We saw lions.
Welcome to Partners in Building in Windsong Ranch. Guys, this is one of the most unique homes that I have ever been in because of the shape of the home.